1.4.2. Can factorize an expression by grouping terms. Factorize each of the following expressions. So for these ones here, we've actually got 4 terms generally, and we need to factorize them. We do this by factorizing 2 things at a time. In the first example, I've got this term here and this term here. What's in common with both? Well, they both have this bracket b minus 3. So therefore, the thing that's in common is b minus 3. So 4a squared brackets b minus 3 divided by b minus 3, because remember that's all times, well, the thing that's left over will be 4a squared. And this huge thing, positive 3b times b minus 3 squared, divided by b minus 3. Sorry, there's no squared there. Positive 3b times b minus 3, close bracket, divided by b minus 3 is going to make that positive 3b. Or a quick way is know that put the thing that's in brackets at the front, and then whatever's left over on the outside goes in the second bracket. This time, the next one, you've got 4 terms, we have to actually get the brackets first. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize these 2 at a time. So 16p take away 4. What's the largest thing that's in common in both? Well, it's going to be 4. 16p divided by 4 is going to be 4p. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and factorize here. I'm actually going to do the wrong answer first to show you why what to do. So here I've got a negative 12 and a 3, and I've got PQ and I've got a Q. So what could be an answer if I was to divide both by 3Q, positive 3Q? Positive 3 times by negative 12PQ will be negative 4P, and positive 3Q divided by positive 3Q will be plus 1. But notice that my 2 brackets aren't the same here and here. This is 4P take away 1, whereas this is negative 4P plus 1. These, in order for us to fully factorize it, the brackets have to be identical, just like in the top one with the b minus 3. So in this time, instead of positive 3Q, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to divide by negative 3Q. Then that will mean that negative 12PQ divided by negative 3Q is positive 4P, and positive 3Q divided by 3Q makes that negative 1. So now my answer will be 4P minus 1, and in the other bracket 4 minus 3Q. So a way to check that you're doing this correctly is to make sure that the 2 brackets there are identical.